Hi guys, in this video we're going to discuss macular degeneration, okay? The first thing we need to define is what a macula is. Well, first let's talk about a retina. The retina comes from the Latin word which means net, because it's kind of a net of cells that are photosensitive cells. They're equivalent to the film of the camera that picks up the data and is connected to something called the optic nerve, which is basically an extension of the brain. So the retina is really part of your brain tissue sticking out into the inside of the eye. And it's capturing light and information, and it's going in there and it's being converted to different pictures, okay? So that's the retina. Part of the retina, you have this little focal spot called the macula. So macula comes from the Latin word which means spot. So the macula is responsible for the central vision, okay? Not the peripheral, just the central vision, high resolution, color during normal light, okay, not in the dark. If you have macular degeneration, you cannot see centrally, okay? You're starting to lose your vision. Maybe not complete blindness, but you can't recognize people. It just so happens that the macula has high concentrations of a phytonutrient called zeaxanthin, okay? And the retina has higher concentrations of lutein. These are both phytonutrients. So take a wild guess where you would get these two nutrients from. Dark green vegetables, okay? Specifically kale. Now, haven't I mentioned consuming kale in the past a couple times? Well, this is another reason why you need to start doing kale. Spinach, collard greens, not overly cooked, by the way. Romaine lettuce, okay? It's also in egg yolks. The yellow is loaded with it. Carrots, bell peppers. So when the green plant creates these two compounds, it's basically converting sunlight into chemical energy. So we can use it as fuel when we consume this, but we also get other benefits from it as well. So it's just an interesting coincidence that in a plant we have this concentrated sunlight energy that's involved with light, and it's also needed in the eye where you also have light going in that. So I wonder if there's a connection there. So here's my tip of the day. Start consuming these so you can get more phytonutrients and avoid macular degeneration. Hey, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you personally. There's so many of you that have gotten this book, and the feedback that you're giving me is mind-blowing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind, I have one quick favor. To put your unbiased review on Amazon, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.